Hey percussionists, we're going to be doing the song Rain, Rain. Remember, we're going to be looking at the snare drum part, not the triangle part when we're looking at this. Make sure you click on it in Smart Music so it highlights that when you go to record. So here's the song in its entirety. Come back and check this out whenever you need to. The big thing that I'm going to be stressing here is accents. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. So you'll notice that all the unaccented notes are going to be low to the drum, and all the accented notes came quite a bit higher. You need to distinguish that in the recording when you go to play. I need to hear that in your recordings in Smart Music. Even if it gives you green marks, that doesn't mean it's necessarily right. I'm going to be listening for, are you playing the accents? Because otherwise, this is a really simple exercise, right? Just straight quarters. Also, because this is a slow song, you're going to want to make sure you're really paying attention to how fast you're playing. You don't want to be too fast. Most of this is going to feel really slow. The only other thing that I wanted to talk to you about with this is the last part of the song. If you look over here where my cursor is, you'll see a quarter rest, but. So left, right, left, left, rest, left, right. Make sure that you breathe on that note. So left, right, left, 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 right. Here it is again. Left, right, left, 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 right. You want to make sure that that rest is really obvious to us when you're recording. Now that's everything as far as the song goes, but let's talk about what this is as far as sticking and how it relates to marching percussion and orchestral percussion. This is a paradiddle. And the first measure is right, left, right, right, and then immediately switches into left, right, left, left. So when you guys are playing, you can actually use this as an exercise to help you get better. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. I literally just played from here all the way through here. So can you do that? Playing it kind of fast. And then start it off the left in measure 5. And the idea is whenever you get it going fast enough, you can get that 2 in a row, the RR or the LLs when they're back to back, you can get them to be like a diddle. It's actually kind of hard to play it that fast, and that's good. You guys need challenging stuff. Especially if you put those accents in, you know? Switching that. So have fun with that. You don't have to record it that fast, obviously, but you can use it as a practicing exercise to help you get better. If you watched this, checked it out, and you're doing these things, you're on the right track. I appreciate y'all. Keep up the good work. Bye-bye.